Hi everyone, PEMDAS is saying that 3 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 3 divided by 5? I don't know. So let's write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 5. And let's bring that 7 plus down, but let's bring that 7 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 7 over 1 equals 7. Does not change the 7. Plus 3 over 5. And notice that, yes, we're going to add these two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So we're going to multiply 7 times 5, which is 35. And then 1 times 3 is just 3. And then 1 times 5 is 5. So our new denominator is 5. And 35 plus 3 is 38. Next, I'm going to erase this for space. And I am going to bring down the 4 divided by 8. So I'll write it here. 4 divided by 8. And then times 38 over 5. And keep them inside the parentheses. And you can break this improper fraction further. So that's it, 38 over 5. Now, looking back at PEMDAS, we're dividing first. We're not multiplying 8 times 38. We're dividing 4 divided by 8. So what is 4 divided by 8? Let's write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 4 over 8. Notice that both numbers are even, so let's just half them. So what is half of 4? 2. Half of 8 is 4. And then we continue to half them. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that's it. You can't break this further. You can't break this down further. 1 over 2 it is. And we are going to erase this for space and write 1 over 2 times 38 over 5. And we're going to multiply across, so 1 times 3, that's a times symbol or multiplication symbol, times. So 1 times 38 is 38, right? Over 2 times 5 is 10. And so we have an improper fraction answer. Don't leave yet because we need to get a decimal answer and a mixed number answer using long division. Now we have to break this improper fraction further. So what's half of 38? What is it? 19. Good job. So 19. And what is half of 10? 5. And so this is our improper fraction answer, 19 over 5. And you can't break this down further. So I'm going to erase all this for space. And I'm going to write that answer to this side of the board. So then we can have it. So 19 over 5. And then we'll be writing the mixed number answer here and then the decimal answer here using long division. So here's the long division symbol. And I want to use a different color. Let's use purple. I like purple. Okay, here's purple. And so the 19 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And the 5 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 19? 3 times. And then 3 times 5 is 15. And then we subtract 19 minus 15 is 4. And so now we can write our mixed number answer. So the whole number is 3. The remainder, which is 4, goes above the fraction bar, and then the 5 goes below the fraction bar. So we have an answer 3, 4 over 5. Let's continue the long division so we can get our decimal answer. So how many times can 5 fit into 4? You cannot. So the 4 needs to borrow a 0, so we add a decimal after the 19 and a decimal after the 3. We write a 0 there. Then we bring down the 0, give it to the 4. Now the 4 becomes 40. So how many times can 5 fit into 40? How many? 8 times. Good job. 8 times 5 is 40. And 40 minus 40 is 0. So your decimal answer is 3.8. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribed, thank you so much. And thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.